Hi guys, welcome back. Have you ever tried Fliki AI for text to video? You may have, but here's the truth. I tested Fliki AI as a text to video generator, but the results weren't what I expected. Watch this before signing up. Here's my honest experience with the free version. I turned to Google and soon discovered Fliki AI, a platform that promises to turn your text into videos. Signing up is totally free, and once you're in, choose a workflow, then click on Idea. Paste your prompt. I used a pre-arranged one. Set the duration. I chose 30 seconds for a short. Click Next. Choose the video size and select a template. Many are available in the free tier. Then it takes you through language, tone, purpose, and script style. Review or edit the generated script. Choose AI media, stock images in the free plan, select or confirm voiceover. Finally, click Submit, and boom, video generated. But wait, this wasn't what I expected. It felt more like text to storytelling than text to video. The visuals looked like text to image slides with narration, not dynamic video scenes. And then, no downloads in the free version. The standard plan is $28 a month with a 100 scene limit. In short, Fliki AI, great if you're into storytelling. Not ideal for creators looking for true text to video functionality. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Is this what you were looking for? Like, share, and subscribe for more real AI tool reviews. Thanks.